In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your website in Wix, a tutorial specifically designed for beginners. Whether you're moving to a new owner or simply assigning management of your site to someone else, transferring a site in Wix can be a smooth process when you know where to start. Let's break down this procedure into easy-to-follow steps, ensuring that you have all the information you need to do it right the first time. First, you'll begin by navigating to the Wix Studio, which is essentially your hub for managing all sites you currently have in Wix. By logging into Wix and accessing the Sites section through your dashboard, you'll have a clear view of all the projects you've worked on or managed. This is an essential starting point as it sets the stage for selecting the specific website you wish to transfer. Once you're in the Sites section, browse through your list and find the site that you want to hand over. When you locate it, you'll notice an option called Site Actions. This dropdown becomes your gateway to making modifications and managing key settings for the website. Click on this and watch for the option labeled Transfer Site. It's this particular function that allows you to initiate the process of transferring site ownership. Now, you'll need to provide some information about the new owner. It's critical that you enter the correct email address of the person who will be taking over the site. Think of this as passing the baton. The address you input here will be receiving all future administrative privileges for the site. Double-check the spelling and ensure there are no errors in this step, as you want the transition to be as seamless as possible. Following that, you'll encounter a prompt asking you to describe the new owner. Here, you have a choice to categorize them based on their role, perhaps as a business owner, a team member, or a collaborator. Selecting the appropriate designation is more than a formality. It provides context into their level of involvement and responsibility. Once you've completed these fields, there's a small but significant step that involves clicking a checkbox to confirm your actions. This step acts as a safeguard, making sure you're aware of the implications of transferring your site. Ensuring boxes like these are checked helps avoid accidental clicks and confirms your intent. Now you're getting close to the final steps of the process. Click Continue to advance further. This confirms the initial setup steps and takes you closer to transferring ownership effectively. You'll be required to proceed once more by clicking a second Continue button, reinforcing that you're prepared to conclude this process. Finally, you'll see the Transfer Ownership option. By clicking this, you're effectively completing the handoff of both responsibility and control over the website to the new owner. With this final action, your part in the process ends and the new owner can start managing the site. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to transfer your website in Wix. Follow these steps carefully and you'll find that transforming site ownership is a straightforward and hassle-free task.